Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install Canon LBP 6030 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear here in our window. Okay? And once it's here, please navigate on clicking on Open. So once you have bring up this Google Chrome browser, okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the window search bar and please paste the link that I'll be including at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it and paste it here at the Windows search or address bar. And once you have pasted it, please click on enter to proceed. So the moment you are being redirected to the result, you can see there Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. And this is a printer driver for LBP 6030, which is what we are looking for. Now you would be able to see here an option where you can download. Click on it. And the moment you do that, just have to wait until you will be redirected to the downloading of this LBP 6030. So just have to navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Click on it to check the download progress. So we just have to wait until this would be finished, okay? Now once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. Once you're here, please navigate to the scissor icon or cut icon, click on it, close the window, as well as the Google Chrome browser, and please navigate to the desktop. So we need to move the application to the desktop. So by that, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, we need to extract this one. Okay, so please do a right click again, and here you need to go with the option. You just have to wait until this would be ready, and once it is being ready, go with this extract to LBP 6030. So click on it. And the moment you click on it, just have to wait until it will be extracted. And if it's not showing here, don't worry. You just have to check it up at the File Explorer. Click on it, bring it up, and proceed with the desktop and check if it's being placed here. In my case, yes. Okay. So once you're done, you would be able to see your LBP 6030 at the desktop. So no worries for that. You just have to navigate to the button search bar. And this time on, you need to type for settings. Once you've typed for settings, just have to wait again until a best match should appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. So here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that and look for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And under the Bluetooth and devices section, you need to navigate with devices. Click on it once again, and afterwards, you need to scroll down on the list and go with this one, related settings. Scroll down once again and locate for more devices and printer settings. The next thing that you need to do is you need to tap on it to bring up the devices and printers window. Now, once you are here, please look at the left side of that. You can see there add a device and add a printer. And since the goal of the target is of this video is to install the Canon LBP 6030, then click on add a printer, and this window would show up. Where here you need to navigate with the printer that I want is unlisted. Click on it and proceed with this last option, which is add a local printer or network printer with the manual settings. Click on next, And here in this window, it will opt you to choose an existing port. Click this down arrow and either choose USB 001, 002, or 003. So make sure that you choose among of this, no other than that. Once you're done, click on the selected USB port. And once you've selected it, click on next. Okay. And from here, you would be able to see two options. Please proceed on have disk, go with browse, and this window would show up. So here you need to locate for your desktop since you have placed your extracted file there. Click on it. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with LBP 6030. So double tap to it. Okay. And proceed with the manual ing source. Okay. And from here, if it's not showing the drives, now click on this down arrow. Proceed with your LBP. Choose XPS en hyphen GB and proceed on the either x64 or 32-bit. So if you have 32-bit computer, then proceed on the first, and if you have x64, then proceed on the third. And since I have the x64, then proceed on this one. MISC. And if you haven't seen your drive, all you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow again. Proceed with this NGB again. And this time on, you need to select on driver. Double tap to it. And from here, you would be able to see your drive. Okay, driver, sorry. So double tap to it once again and it will be added here. Once done, click on OK. And it will show here LBP6030. So click on next. And you can rename that by LBP6030 by deleting those extensions. Once you're done, click on next. And it will now begin on the installation of this printer driver. You just have to wait until it will be finished. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue in the installation. So here it is. You can now click on next. Okay. If you'd like to set it as your default printer, you can go through, and since I don't like that, just leave that unchecked. Once you're done, click on finished, and that's it. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 6030 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're good, close the window and as well as that, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.